Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to put and remove the sport loop band on Apple Watch 10. So here is the loop band. This is how it looks. It is very nice, and this is the Apple Watch 10. Now to put this band on the watch, it is very easy. I will start with this part, and you need to keep it like this. Okay, I hope you see it. And now just go to this part. Here is the crown button, and just put here this part like this. I hope you see it, and push it until you will hear a click. Okay, and that's all. And now let's put the other part. Again, here is the right position, and put here the band like this, and push it until you hear a click. And that's all. And now just put your band on your wrist like this. Put it here, okay. And now put it like this, and that's all. This is the right position. And to take it off, it is very easy, and you need to do it like this. Okay, and now to remove the band, here we have a little button, and you need to push with your nail finger on it like this, and just take off the band like this, and again on the other side push it with your nail finger on the button, and just remove the band like this. So it is not so hard. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.